What you're seeing isn't just a factory, it's an industrial giant few people ever get to see. Behind these walls lies a world where millions of tires begin their journey. A car tire may look simple at first glance, but in reality, it is one of the most carefully engineered components of a vehicle. Behind every tire lies a complex manufacturing process, combining material science, precision engineering, and advanced automation.
Output is up 3% from the last shift. The new algorithm is working well.
Yes, and the defect rate is holding at 0. We should maintain this pace.
In this video, we take you inside a modern tire factory to explore how raw materials are transformed into a high-performance tire, designed for safety, durability, and comfort on the road. The process begins with raw materials: natural rubber, synthetic rubber, carbon black, sulfur, and specialized chemical additives are carefully selected. Each ingredient plays a critical role in determining strength, flexibility, heat resistance, and grip. Using automated weighing systems, materials are measured with extreme precision to ensure consistent quality. They are then fed into a high-power internal mixer, where heat and pressure blend them into a uniform rubber compound. This step is essential. Even small variations can affect tire performance and lifespan. Once mixed, the rubber compound is formed into slab sand, transported for further processing. Next, the rubber compound is shaped into functional components. Through calendering machines, rubber is rolled into thin sheets with precisely controlled thickness. Extrusion lines then form key parts of the tire, including the tread, the sidewalls, and the inner liner that holds air pressure. Laser sensors continuously monitor thickness and surface quality, ensuring every layer meets strict specifications. Each component is labeled, tracked, and prepared for reinforcement. To give the tire its strength and structure, reinforcement materials are added.
These are the precisely wound nylon and polyester cords that form the backbone of our advanced tire reinforcement system.
High-tensile steel cords and synthetic fabric fibers form the tire's internal framework. Steel belts provide stability at high speeds, while fabric plies help the tire maintain its shape under load. Strong steel bead wires are prepared to anchor the tire securely to the wheel rim. All reinforcement components are inspected, aligned, and staged for assembly. At the tire building machine, all components come together. Layer by layer, the inner liner, fabric plies, steel belts, bead wires, sidewalls, and tread are assembled with millimeter accuracy. At this stage, the product is known as a green tire. It has the complete structure of a tire, but it is still soft, unvulcanized, and without its final tread pattern. The green tire is now placed into a curing mold. Under high temperature and pressure, the vulcanization process begins. This critical step permanently transforms the rubber, creating elasticity, durability, and the tread pattern molded into the surface. Vulcanization bonds all components into a single solid unit, defining the tire's final performance. After curing, the tire is carefully removed from the mold. It is allowed to cool under controlled conditions. Excess rubber is trimmed, and technical markings, specifications, and traceability codices are applied to the sidewall. The tire now appears complete, but it must still pass inspection. Every tire undergoes strict quality checks. Machines inspect shape, balance, and uniformity. X-ray systems scan the internal structure to detect hidden defects. Pressure and load tests ensure the tire meets safety standards. Only tires that pass all inspections are approved for delivery. Approved tires move to finished goods warehouses. Automated systems stack, package, and prepare them for shipment. From here, tires are loaded onto pallets, moved by forklifts, and packed into containers for global distribution. Once mounted on a vehicle, the tire faces real-world conditions. Dry roads, wet surfaces, heat, speed, and heavy loads will test its performance. Every rotation reflects thousands of precise decisions made during manufacturing. From raw materials to the open road, a modern tire represents Senji excellence, safety, and innovation. This is the journey behind every tire, quietly supporting every mile ahead. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more industry insights and factory stories.